Hello, hello, I'm Mr. Monty, geometry teacher, Lewis and Clark High School. And this is lesson 18 of our 2020 series in preparation for the EOC exam at the end of the month. We're finally down to polygons. Some enclosed shape with a series of sides. There are certain rules we need to remember about how to calculate the interior angles and the exterior angles. But before we do that, let's say we're in the middle of the test and we've forgotten all of our rules and the formulas and all that. Start with this. Very first thing, as soon as you get the test, just write this stuff down. Triangle. We all know how many degrees inside of a triangle. 180. If you forgot that, you could always say a triangle, equilateral, equiangular, 60, 60, 60. So I got 180 degrees. A square. A square, everybody knows, 4 90-degree angles. 4 times 90, the total interior, 360. And then one more. Let's do our pentagon. Our pentagon, we have 5 interior angles. But see the pattern. 180, 360, 540. Now, one of the neat tricks about polygons is that all the exterior angles of every polygon always adds up to 360. Let me show you. Get a straight line, and a straight line for the exterior angle. Makes 180. Well, if that's a 60, this had to be 120. Again, straight line, exterior angle. If that's a 60, we got 180. We get a 120. Draw the exterior. Got a 60, 180, we got 120. So the exterior angles of a triangle, 120, 120, 120. So we have interior, 180, exterior, 360. Let's look at the square. In a square, same idea. Find the exterior. If the interior is 90 and we have a straight line of 180, we get a 90. 180 minus the 90, we get a 90. 180 minus the 90, we get a 90. 180 minus the 90, we get a 90. Four times 90, 360. So our interior is 360, the exterior 360. The exterior is always 360. Now that we know that, we can actually go to our pentagon . And if it's always 360, to find the measure of the exterior angle, we could actually take (360), 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pentagon, 5 angles, divided by 5, and we're going to get 72. So each one of these is 72 degrees. Well, if those are all 72s, and we know this is a straight line, we take 180 minus that 72, 180 minus the 72, to get 108. So all the interior angles are indeed 108 degrees. So exterior, 72. Interior, the total was 540 degrees. Little trick. the triangle, the square, and the pentagon. 180, 360, 540, and the exterior angle always is 360 degrees. So no matter what they ask you, remember that the exterior is 360 and you can back into the interior. Let's try an example here. They gave us just an arbitrary 5-sided object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's find the exterior angle. Well, the exterior is always 360, and that's going to be equal to all of these added up. Let's do it. 1a plus 3a plus 2a plus 4a plus 2a. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. These are all like terms. So 360 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12a. How do we undo a multiplication? Divide. A, those cancel. So A is indeed equal to 360 divided by 12. Make sure you use your calculator. And we get 30. So A is 30. With that, A is 30. 2 times 30, 60. 120. 60. 30. 90. And finally, it wanted you to find this interior angle right there. Well, remember, we got a straight line, 180 degrees. So 180 minus the 60 will be 120 degrees. So no matter what they ask with polygons, step back. Remember a triangle, a square, 180, 360, and you can work yourself into it. Unless you remember the original formula, n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides. You can do it directly, but don't worry. Don't remember formulas? Piece of cake. Back yourself into it using the exterior angles. That will help you with polygons if you see any of those on the EOC. That finishes Lesson 18. We'll see you next time for Lesson 19.